how to turn off reels on Facebook or how to disable reels on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can turn off or disable Facebook reels. So Facebook introduced reels as short forms video feature similar to TikTok. If you want to turn off or disable reels on Facebook, you may have to follow the steps with the Facebook app. Now keeping this in mind that Facebook actually does not allow users to disable or turn off reel feature on Facebook. Now there's no such feature to disable or turn it off, but you can just give it a try for an alternative method. First of all, you need to update your application and log in into your Facebook account. Logged into your Facebook account, this is basically how the interface is going to look like. So then what you have to do is basically, in order to turn off or disable the reels, you'll just be able to see the reels right over here on the feed page itself. You can see this is how you can see the reels. So you'll need to click on the three dot icon. After that, click on the hide button. The reels will be hid from your For You page or maybe from the home page, but this has not been disabled yet. So in order to disable it, you need to go to the reels. Now once you open up the reels, what you have to do is you need to tap on the three dot icon. After that, click on show less. Now do the same procedure, that is click on the three dot icon. Now instead of show less, you need to just tap on hide reels, which is right at the bottom. Now do the same procedure for rest of the other reels and continue doing this procedure for a couple of times, and after that log out of your Facebook account, and then you'll successfully turn off your reels on. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.